Just starting the video under the bridge so we can get ready. Max, don't go near the water, please. I had a good snowfall, it's still coming down. We'll see it when we go out there. Yeah. For Max and Yottie's first time in a snowstorm. I'm gonna try to look for a little tripod spot for us to build a little snowman with Max.
Yeah.
Hey Max, you ready to go out in the snow? Alright, let's figure it out. I read online we're supposed to get like 40-50 centimeters by tomorrow. It's a winter wonderland now, motherfuckers. Ready to play in the snow for the first time, buddy? I'm trying to speak up a little bit because the video has been cutting off some of my talking the last little bit. Max just wanted to be out here so bad today. Every time we bring him in from the backyard, he just starts crying. Let's go build a snowman! Yottie's like, what is this? At least he's one of those Dalmatians that he's easy to pick out in the snow. Jeez, he don't even have fucking spots anymore. It's just like connected spots right across his body now. Huge difference from when we first got him.
Big difference.
Out in the woods. If I don't get too wet out here, man, this snow is perfect snowman weather. Hey Max, it's perfect snowman weather. Let me build your first snowman. We'll go up into that big field and I'll make like a little snow tripod and we'll set it up.
Where's Yottie? Yottie!
Over there. Just hopping around the snow, enjoying it for the first time. Haha, we don't even need treats in this snow. You can just make a little snowball and he thinks it's a treat. Max is just gone, ready to leave. Yottie! Good boy! Oh shit, did Max fall down? Max and Yottie's first time out playing in the snow. This is actually literally both of their first time like seeing it and playing in it. Because when Max was a baby, obviously he wasn't out playing in the snow. This is his first time really taking it all in. You got slush on your face already. Hey, look, that's the puppy from the video yesterday. Literally the exact same one, with the little with the tiger stripes. Look, Yottie's the pup you met yesterday. Actually, no, it's not. It looks similar. Hello.
Good afternoon.
Beautiful day.
Sure is.
First snowfall of the year.
Yeti, no, down.
Oh, that's Yeti. They met before. I know, yeah. They've actually played together a few times in videos.
Yeah.
Yottie and Yeti. Puppies playing at the dog park. Yeah. Hello.
Yeah, first 2 months in a shed in Yellowknife, and then they rescued him from there with manger bad, so he was in quarantine for 8 weeks after that.
Yeah.
But, you know, I had the same plan. Just come here to lay down in the snow.
They've actually met each other like 4 or 5 times now.
Cool.
I've actually seen that dog a lot.
Yeah, it's usually Saturday, Sunday is my wife's time to walk
Yeah.
them. I'm Monday through Friday. She's Saturday, Sunday usually.
This is his first time in the snow now because he's only 7 months old.
Oh, cool.
Little
He
puppies.
gets scared every time some snow falls off the trees. It's hilarious.
Max's first time in the snow too. Well, he's been in it, just as a baby he wasn't really playing in it. Have a nice day. Yottie and Yeti. Go over that spot where I was in the video yesterday. This is gonna be a long video. We're not even like into the dog park and we're 10 minutes in. Hey Yottie, look, let's go to that spot and we'll show Max. Hey Yeti. What's up, man? Come over here. This is the spot in the video I said that yesterday that Max would like. Hope I don't get the camera too wet here today. This is fun. All bundled up warm. This is where I wanted to take Max yesterday to crawl through there.
Eddie, this way.
He said he's been around here 3 times with him already.
I love Yeti's coat.
I know, me too.
Hey Max! Here with the puppies. Ugh. I'll set up a little tripod in here. Max! What's in here, buddy? Lots of little dog trails for us to go through. Dogs and stuff. Max! What you doing? Max meeting the pup. Hello. Here's a big dog.
There's a big dog. I'll film. You got your snow pants on. Yeah, I know. What are you doing?
You don't even need treats out here.
No.
Just bowl up a little ball of snow and Yachty's coming for it.
Don't let his bum get too wet. Oh, I can go around. You should brush the snow off first. Aw, Max.
Yeah, some snow pants, Max.
Yeah, brush his bum off. You having fun, Yachty? You having fun? Giving Yachty some snowballs.
Can't eat all the snow.
Only way we can get him to drink some water.
Too obsessed with food.
Crunching him up in snowballs, he thinks they're food.
Yachty, hey.
Looking for a snowball in a pile of snow.
That's dope. Cool pop rocket chips too. Let's make one right here.
Do it right here?
Yep.
Where are we gonna put the camera to? Oh yeah, Max, you're not supposed to take your mittens off.
I'll make one. I'm gonna make a little camera tripod to stick that into.
Oh, that's a nice picture. Yottie! What a good boy. He's a good boy. He likes kids, I assume it?
Boom. That works out. You can get us all on camera now. Yeah, winter's so fucking good. That works. Making some progress. The dog fucked my cigarette up. Max and Mommy making a snowman for the very first time. If Yottie don't decide to eat it. It was really wet over there. We should have went over there and did it. Child beater. We got a tiny little snowman here. Snow sucks for it, Yottie. I don't even know if we're gonna be able to get a full one. Hey, buddy. Looks like we don't got a hat, so I'm gonna make some hair. Mumble snowman.
Everybody, it's fucking cold. Time to leave.
Hang on, there's something I wants to do. It was a good walk for Yottie though. Even though he won't really walking, he'll just run around being a little fucker. Gotta get some snow gear. Selfie mode on cameras suck, man. Or on phones. You can never see yourself. I guess you can't really see yourself on any camera unless you got a flip screen. I'm gonna get one. It snowed last night. Cause that's food too, right? Hey. What?
Well, I took him out for a walk and he started chewing on a tree. He was growling at it as he was chewing on it.
Come on. Snow! Woo, 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 woo. Go around the trail one more time. And then head home. Been out for an hour. Won't be an hour-long video because a lot of it's going to be cut out, speed up and shit. This is supposed to continue into tomorrow.
He's gone.
You sleep?
Look.
Apple tree. No apples over there today, Yottie. What?
Sit for a minute.
Go to the bench up here.
Can you take this bag?
Just film the tree because I know he's gonna go over there and check for apples. First snowfall of the year, motherfuckers. That's where we just were up there. Now we're on the slushy ass trail. Here.
Oh shit, you gonna take Max? The child is heavy. With all those clothes on. Look at that. Passed right out. Even in the middle of a snowstorm, they'll fall asleep in your arms. Yep. Yottie, you enjoying the snow, buddy? I was gonna put him down and get him to walk, and then he started closing his eyes like, oh shit. Sleep standing up. There's no saying no to nap time.
Hey. You see me?
No.
I like throw him over your shoulder.
Whatever works. He's not gonna wake up now anyway, no matter what he does with him. Hi. He's gonna have to keep going, Yachty. The owner's going. Who says Dalmatians don't like the snow? Yachty's having a blast. Here, carry him over to the bench at least so I can...
Everyone's getting pretty tired. Looks like we're gonna have to end her here. Bye-bye from the silky little Maxwell.